In this video, we are going to learn how to make tax invoice for the sale of services in Tally Prime. When services are provided within the state, then CGST and SGST are charged in the tax invoice. So let's make local sale of services invoice in Tally Prime. Now we are at gateway of Tally. We have to go to vouchers. Here payment voucher is open. We have to select sales voucher. For that we will press F8 key. Now we have opened sales voucher. Let's suppose we have provided maintenance services to our client ABC Private Limited situated in Delhi, and our company is also in Delhi. So in this case CGST and SGST will be charged. In our case we have provided building maintenance services to our client ABC Private Limited on 3rd October 2023. So first of all we will select the date. For that we will press F2 key. Here we will fill the date, which is 3rd October 2023. Now we have to select the party to whom we have provided the services. In our case it is ABC Private Limited. So we will select this party name. We have already created this party ledger. Now let's learn quickly how we have created this party ledger. If you want to create a new party, then you have to press Alt C key here. After that you have to fill the party name. In our case it is ABC Private Limited. In the group we will select Sunday Data. Maintain balance is bill by bill. If you want to maintain balance is bill by bill, then we have to select yes here. Otherwise we can select no. In address we have to tap the address for this party. After filling the address we have to select state. In our case state is Delhi, so we have selected Delhi here. In the country it is India. Now we will fill the pin code here, and after that we have to press enter key. At registration type we have to select regular. At GST we have to fill the GST number of this party. After filling the GST number we have to press enter key several times to save this ledger, and after selecting party ledger we have to press enter key. We have to change the mode of this sales ledger. It is currently an item invoice. We have to change it to an accounting invoice. For that we have to press Ctrl H key. Now we have to select accounting invoice here and press enter key. Now the mode of this sales voucher has been changed to an accounting voucher. If we have some details then we can fill them here. Otherwise we can save this screen by pressing Ctrl A key. Now we have to select the services ledger that we are providing. We haven't created the ledger yet, so we will create it first. So for that we will press Alt C key. We are providing building maintenance services to ABC Private Limited, so we will fill building maintenance here in the name. After that we will select the ledger head. Here we have to select sales accounts, and after that we have to select the type of ledger. Here we will select not applicable. Is GST applicable? We have to select applicable, and after that we will select yes here. In HSN HSE we have to fill the HSN code. After filling the HSN code we have to select nature of transaction. Here we will select not applicable. In taxability we have to select taxable, and now we have to fill the GST rate. In integrated tax we will fill 18 here because the GST rate is 18%, and after filling 18 in integrated tax, 99% in central and state tax have been filled automatically. After that we will press enter key to save this. Now in type of supply we will select services. Each TCS applicable. Here we will select undefined, and after that we will save this ledger by pressing enter key. Now our income ledger has been created, and now we have to fill the sales amount. Sales amount is 30,000 rupee, so we will fill 30,000 here, and after that we will press enter key. Now we have to select the GST ledger. Here we will select CGST and SGST because this is local sale of services. Let's select CGST ledger first, and after selecting CGST ledger, 9% CGST has been automatically calculated, which is 9% of 30,000. And after selecting CGST ledger we will select SGST ledger, and now you can see that SGST amount has also been calculated automatically, which is 2700. Now let's learn how to make CGST and SGST ledger. Let's learn how we have made CGST ledger first. If you haven't created the ledger then you have to press Alt C key. In name you have to type CGST, and after that you have to select duty and taxes. In type of duty tax you have to select GST. In tax tab you have to select central tax. Percentage of calculation will be 0%. Rounding method will be not applicable. And after that you have to save this ledger by pressing Ctrl A key. Let's learn how to make SGST ledger. You have to type SGST in name, and here you have to select duties and taxes. In type of duty tax, GST will be selected. In tax type you have to select state tax. Percentage of calculation will be 0%. You have to select not applicable in rounding method, and save this ledger by pressing Ctrl A key. And now we will save this sales voucher. Now we have made sales invoice successfully for the local sale of services. In this video we have learned how to make tax invoice for the sale of services within the state. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos.